Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This week we're making dumplings. I'm going to do 7 uploads in 7 days. This is the hashtag Chappy7 Dumpling Challenge 2022. So me and my little Chihuahua Mookie have saved you a seat at the bar. Sit back, relax, and pour yourself a drink.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. This is the Pacific Ocean. Today on Chappy's Tiki Bar, we have Appies with Chappy by the lake. The other night, I made some sloppy joes. They turned out pretty darn good. And for Appies with Chappy by the lake, I'm going to take the leftover sloppy joe meat and make some dumplings. So check it out.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I have my sloppy joe sort of mini pocket dumplings. That's for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Now we need a beverage. So today I'm going to make an antifreeze. So we're just going to build it in a glass full of ice. We'll go 1 ounce of Cointreau, 1 ounce of blue carousel, and then it calls for 6 ounces of orange juice. And that, my friends, is an antifreeze to go with my sloppy joe dumplings. And that concludes another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.